Hello everyone and welcome to A Meals of the Week. Sunday, smoked salmon with ham, boiled eggs and all the salad trimmings. Monday, chicken curry. Tuesday, barbecued pork belly from the freezer with baby potatoes, beans and gravy. Wednesday, what do you call them? Baked potatoes with different fillings, some roasted mushrooms and roasted tomatoes. And the mushrooms have melted cheese on the inside as well. And this was a simple, delicious dinner. Thursday is my mince and spuds, which was absolutely delicious as usual. Friday then was a bit fancier. It was our wedding anniversary, our 16th wedding anniversary. I went for smoked salmon in phyllo pastry with lots of veg on the side and my garlic roasted potatoes, and it was delicious. And then Saturday, in return for my salmon en croûte, my husband cooked fabulous cowboy steak with loads of lovely veg on the side, a nice glass of red wine and some chips with garlic butter sauce, and it was absolutely fabulous. We celebrate with our food, as you might see. And then I'm going to add in just a couple of extra clips of two more dinners that we had in the last couple of weeks that I didn't get to show. So here are tacos that we got to eat outside in the lovely sunshine there a couple of weeks ago, and it was absolutely yummy and it's lovely. I think that was the last time we got to eat outside, so that was a great dinner for outside because it didn't matter about all the crumbs falling down. And the next clip is an omelette that I threw together one of the days recently, so I will add that in here. And dinner today is an omelette, a quick omelette. So I have the chips ready. I'm about to pick up the kids from school. I wanted to have dinner prepared beforehand. I have cheese grated. These are the leftover eggs from a fabulous amount of eggs that a friend of ours gave us. They have chickens. And there's the eggs all whisked up, and I've added some water and a drop of leftover milk. I have fried up some tomatoes and a little bit of the squash that same neighbour gave me from her garden. And I added parsley and basil. Here I have fried up some chopped mushrooms, and I'm going to chop up this ham that needs to be used up and put that in my omelette later on too. And there's the omelette that we had that day. And thank you all for joining me in my kitchen. God bless you all. I hope you're having a wonderful Sunday. Talk to you again soon. God bless. Bye.